How to fix your World app restricted account. Step 1. Open your World app and check for the exact restriction message. It usually happens due to the suspicious login attempts or incomplete verification. Step 2. Head to your profile and then go to verification and make sure that your ID, face scan, and phone number are properly submitted because missing details often cause the restrictions. Step 3. If your account is restricted due to security, try resetting your password and enable the two-factor authentication for added protection. Step 4. You can try and contact Worldcoin support directly in their app or via their website, and then submit your documents and request a review. And then after that, step 5, once you are verified, your account should be restored within a few days or few hours. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.